Hello friends, I'm writer director C.S. Nag with Wake Up India, and in today's episode number 28 titled Indianizing the Colonial Justice System, I will talk about how India's antique judiciary and court system is finally waking up to reality. India's Chief Justice N.V. Raman has given a clarion call for the Indianization of our antique legal system inherited from the British. The Chief Justice said the common citizen feels out of place in our courts as the proceedings are lengthy, expensive, and in English. In addition, the court judgments are too long and technical, which cannot be understood by most common people. The top jurist said it was time for courts to wake up from their colonial stupor and face the practical realities of Indian society. He said the rules and procedures should be made simple so that no ordinary, poor, or rural Indian would be scared of judges or the courts. The common citizen should not think twice before approaching the courts, he said. He should be able to speak the truth. The Chief Justice said the working and style of functioning of courts do not fit with the complexities of India today. There was a whole series of multiple barriers that need to be removed in order to localize our justice delivery systems, he said. The Chief Justice said alternate dispute mechanisms like mediation and conciliation need to be explored to expedite and clear the colossal backlog of cases which is paralyzing the system. As we pointed out in our episode number 12, the Indian justice system resembles the British penal settlements of the old days, with a mind-boggling 1.6 crore criminal cases pending trial. Of these, 22 lakh cases are pending for over 10 years. The number of under trials is only increasing at a faster rate than the conviction rate. More than 1 lakh under trials are in jail for more than a year without trial, and the number keeps increasing at an alarming rate in Modi's lockdown regime. More than 30% of those jailed are from the minorities, lower castes, and illiterate sections, of society. By making the litigant the focal point of the justice system, the Chief Justice Raman has given a wake-up call to the courts and judiciary. Wake up, India! According to the latest Human Freedom Index, India has fallen 17 spots to its lowest level of 112 out of 162 countries in the world. Justice delayed is justice denied, and the writing is on the wall that the people cannot wait any longer.
इंसाफ का मंदिर है ये, भगवान का घर है। इंसाफ का मंदिर है ये, भगवान का घर है। कहना है जो कह दे तुझे, किस बात का डर है पास तेरे जिसकी अमानत उसे दे दे, तेरे जिसकी अमानत उसे दे दे। निर्धन भी है, निर्धन भी है इंसान, मोहब्बत उसे दे दे, मोहब्बत उसे सभी एक है बंदे, ये वो दर है। इंसाफ का मंदिर है ये, भगवान का घर है। ना हो हार के तकदीर की बाजी, प्यारा है वो हम जिसमें हो भगवान भी राजी। दुख दर्द मिले, दुख दर्द जिसमें वही प्यार अमर है, वही प्यार अमर है। ये सोच ले